Now, let me wake you up from the sleep. You need to answer me this question. Whose deficiency typically will lead to the development of severe combined immunodeficiency disease? Which enzyme deficiency? Excellent, we get the answer from Hyderabad. Our Usmania Medical College students are no less than anybody. They want to prove this time that since Andhra Pradesh is opened up for NEET, we will show our fragrance till Delhi, where we will shoot in the top 10. But of course, I say the same thing when I deliver a lecture in Trivandrum, that our Kerala students are like that. Because for a teacher, any student topping is equally a good news. But as a entrance aspirant, you topping personally is only a good news. Anything else is a bad news. So, very good. That's wonderful. Our online student, Dr. Varun, has also shot the same answer like you. Adenosine deaminase is what need to be remembered. What decides the branching pattern of the developing airways? It is the mesoderm which directs the branching pattern. In the 4th week, a respiratory diverticulum arises, and if you look at the embryology of the respiratory system, the endoderm will form the respiratory epithelium, whereas the connective tissue elements like cartilage, smooth muscle, blood vessels, everything are derived from splanchnic lateral plate mesoderm is what you have to fundamentally remember. Now, doctor, histology and embryology of the genitourinary system is one of the favorite issues for the examiner any day. You have a transitional epithelium in ureter. Typically, it is derived from the intermediate mesoderm. Bladder and most of the urethral epithelium is derived from the endoderm of the urogenital sinus, and the connective tissue and the muscle, detrusor, they are all derived from the lateral plate mesoderm is what you have to ultimately remember. Now, skeletal and smooth muscle contraction. This is one of the favorite topics of the examiner. I am very happy today we have around 38 viewers online individually. That shows that India mein computer illiteracy is not there. So we have computers, we have internet. If you have as low as 512 kbps also, the video can stream. This is the same technology which we use, which is used for broadcasting the live events on television. So that's the reason it will stream like anything. So doctor, smooth versus skeletal muscle. Troponin is typically not there in the smooth muscle. So you must know, where do you have myosin, light chain phosphokinase, phosphokinase, and where is the tropomyosin troponin interaction? All the physiology of the muscle contraction. It is hardly 2 pages in Ganong's textbook or any physiology textbook which you have studied, doesn't matter. What is the famous textbook of physiology? Undergraduate Shambulingam. You may read Shambulingam, Guddilingam, Jambulingam, any book, doesn't matter. Because all books finally have to write the same story, slightly differently, that's all. So, but in the last moment, 20, like a cricket match, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, you have got 60 marks. If you survive that, you can plan of answering remaining 180 questions in the NEET exam. Okay, so too much of basic sciences. Now doctor, it is the IgM and IgG which are responsible for activating the classical component of the complement pathway in the respiratory system. If you look at the pneumocytes, they don't have any macrophasic function, is what I want to underscore to all of you. The patient is having a winging scapula. I think easiest, cheapest question in the entire paper to give you some courage. Even this you answered wrong means No problem. We have 250 hours video available in the video library. Review that. It's given free to you for the next 2 months. You end up in topping entrance. Because there is nothing like not knowing in entrance. It's a question of never investing time into the process of knowing. If you invest time, everybody will crack entrance. No big deal. Now, let me ask you a question, doctor. Give me one confident answer. When a genetic mutation leads to a stop codon, what is that mutation called as? Yes, one loud answer. Nonsense mutation. Excellent. That comes the answer even from Guntur also. Nonsense mutation. Very good. So we have online student Dr. Prabhakar all the way from Anantapur. I am very happy to see. So after a few days we will get a student all the way from the Assam. Already Guwahati, our center, is watching the present broadcast. So you need to basically participate in the discussion. So silent, you know, missense is basically a changed amino acid will be produced. Nonsense is stop codon. Stop is nonsense. And frame shift. So these are the important things. What are the smooth muscles in the airway are innervated by? It is by the vagus. That's the reason in COPD why there is a bronchoconstriction, because in the COPD people their vagal tone is very high. Increased vagal tone will lead to development of bronchoconstriction in COPD patients. Hence, what is the best bronchodilator? It is not salbutamol. In COPD patients, the best bronchodilator is ipratropium bromide, which is anticholinergic like atropine, is the best drug. Now tell me, doctor, answer for this question. Which is the best drug for nocturnal asthma and exercise induced asthma? Which bronchodilator? Salmeterol is considered to be the drug of choice. Like a parrot, you should answer in the tomorrow's exam. Where does stylohyoid muscle basically attaches? It attaches to the lesser horn of the hyoid bone, is what need to be basically remembered. And what does styloglossus will be doing? It will retract the tongue. Stylopharyngeus will insert into the middle pharyngeal constrictor. So these are all the basics that need to be fundamentally remembered. That's good. Our number has increased now to 45 online viewers. Is a very good music to the ears. Now doctor, from where is thyroid blood supply basically derived from? So you should know inferior thyroid artery, superior thyroid artery. They are the branches of which artery? Is a favorite question. Let me tell you, doctor. If you analyze the past 15 years, All India AIIMS PGI, every year how many questions come in All India? 30. Sorry, anatomy, let us say 20. 20 into 15 years, 300 questions. Every AIIMS may you have another 200 in the past 15 years. Similarly, PGI may you have another 200. Totally 800 anatomy questions were already declared by our three Brahma Vishnu Maheshwar, AIIMS All India PGI exam board. They are also the part of the DNB question bank. So we have discussed all those 800 MCQs topic wise classified, available as a videos for you. Only thing is you must lend your ears to us. Then don't read, only listen. We will make you ace the pace of the NEET is our promise to you. Because these are all the dirty stupid things. Inferior thyroid artery kahan se aayega, superior thyroid artery kahan se aayega, kahan se aaye to kya hai? Finally you need to treat the patient with the same steroid and finally collect the same 10 rupee note in the OPD. So doctor, to get into entrance is all about that filtering and your ability to focus your little time available, and for everybody time is a limited commodity. Let me tell you. Inferior thyroid artery is a branch of thyrocervical trunk, which is a branch of subclavian. superior thyroid artery arises from the external carotid artery is what you have to ultimately remember. Now doctor, lumbricals, interosseae. You know interosseae, what is their function? Dorsal interosseae, dab, pad. Palmar interosseae, adduction. Dorsal interosseae, abduction of fingers. This you know. What will be lumbricals will be doing? You remember this very important illustration. Lumbricals flex the metacarpophalangeal joint and extend the interphalangeal joint is what need to be basically remembered. Very important common question asked in the exam. Function of lumbricals, innervation of lumbricals. Luckily all interosseae are by ulnar, median or radial? Ulnar nerve. But lumbricals are not like that. You have radial to medial. That's right. So medial and radial will differ. The radially located two lumbricals and medially located two lumbricals have different innervation. So that you need to carefully know. Whenever the wrist joint and metacarpophalangeal joints are both extended, then only the grasping of the hand will be strongest, because the metacarpophalangeal and wrist joint extension will stretch the digitorum superficialis and profundus flexors into an optimum position is what you have to ultimately remember. That's good. Our Guntur students are very much right in the answering of the lumbrical innervation. Now doctor, the median nerve, how does it pass? Between ulnar and humeral heads of the prunet teres, the median nerve will be typically passing is what need to be remembered. Now let me wake up all of you from the sleep, doctor. Tell me, shoot me an answer. What is the genetic mechanism which is involved in the hereditary non-polyposis colorectal cancer? Is it a nucleotide excision repair defect, base excision repair defect, or mismatch repair defect? Which is the one which is responsible? We get one answer, mismatch, from Harish. What's your name, doctor? Huh? Sandeep. Sandeep answered, Dr. Sandeep's answer. Dr. Sandeep is from which college? Usmania. That's good. The stalwart of Usmania. Yes, doctor. What is your answer? Base excision. Base excision is another answer. Mismatch is an answer of Vijayawada, Dr. Dilip, Dr. Madhavi, Dr. Somavati. Oh my God. We have a very big list. Everybody vouching for mismatch, which is correct answer. That's good. So mismatch repair is the underlying problem in the case of hereditary non-polyposis colon cancer. Nucleotide excision repair is the problem in xeroderma pigmentosum, and all these common frequently asked questions you should know.